Heat rising off the pavement, clouds rolling in too fast. He said we should talk for a minute, like love was a thing that passed. Your hair stuck to your shoulders, a storm in your trembling hand. I watched the sky split open before I could understand. You wouldn't meet my eyes. Raindrops filled the space between the lines. In the middle of summer, it started to pour. You said you don't love me like you did before. Standing in the thunder on Maple and Main, watching you walk through the July rain. You laughed with a stranger who don't know your scars, who won't trace the constellations in your arms. I stayed where you left me, soaked in the pain, losing you slow in the July rain, in the July rain. I learned every curve of your laughter, memorized the way you breathe, stayed out fixing all your nightmares. You swore you could never leave. I held you through your silence, through every shadowed night. Now you're running towards somebody who won't even ask if you're alright. Your fingers slipped from mine like water I could never hold in time. In the middle of summer, it started to pour. You said you don't love me like you did before. Standing in thunder on Maple and Main, watching you walk through the July rain. You left with a stranger who don't know your scars, who won't trace the constellations in your arms. I stayed where you left me, soaked in the pain, losing you slow in the July rain. Maybe he won't notice and you start to fade. Maybe he won't hear every song I played. Maybe he won't love you like a quiet flame, steady through the dark when the cold winds came. And I hope you're happy, I hope he's kind, but he won't know the girl I held that night. Summer kept burning, but I froze in place. Rain on my lips, your tears on my face. The storm moved on, but I stayed the same, still calling your name in the July rain. You said you don't love me like you did before.